Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well today. I just want to come and say thank you. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the Gene G family. And my hang in there, stick with me, not going anywhere subscribers, thank you as well. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate that you like my video, you watch my videos, you share and comment. I really like interacting with you. As a matter of fact, I'll go as far as to say I love interacting with you. It brings me so much joy. And I just want to say thank you. I am still trying to figure out hairstyles for the summer because this is a lot of hair. I put these braids in my hair last night, but I realized that I don't like this style enough to wear it out, but that it could probably be my style for when I'm home and when I get ready to go out. I'd see just how this works to form an additional style for my hair. Right now I can see that it gives me some waves and I like that. I may try doing my braids a little bit smaller in order to create a style that I don't mind wearing out. Now I can wear this around the house with no problems, but I may do this same style with smaller braids. I'm gonna let you see what taking out these first two braids look like. There we go. I'm just preparing to leave for work. This is my last week of work. Yeah. And I'm excited. I am excited for what's to come. I asked in a previous video if you could tell me who gave me or where these earrings came from, because a lot of my jewelry comes from my big sister, and that's where these came from. The week after Mother's Day, these came in the mail with no note, with nothing that said the reason why. She just had these shipped to me. My sister still sees me as her little sister, and she still sends me things as she did when I was in school. She would send me boxes. How many of you have ever received a box from your relative? A care package? Well, guys, that was my sister. That was my sister, and still is. Always sending something, whether you need it or not. And I am grateful for her. Yes, I am. I've been in front of you now about 4.5 minutes. Yes, I'm feeling so good today. You guys, I think I'm gonna leave. As a matter of fact, I'm not thinking about leaving this here. I am gonna leave this part of the braid right here in my hair, keeping it out of my face. And to me, This is a style that I've never worn, not that I can remember. And so this is how I'm wearing my hair today. And this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. And when I think of His goodness, I can't even tell it all because He is such a wonderful, loving, and awesome God. And every morning when I wake up, I'm reminded of just how good He is. Have a great day.